In a major relief to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, a special court for elected representatives on Wednesday accepted the B report, that is, the closure report filed by the Lokayukta police, granting a clean chit to him, his wife, B.M. Parvathi, brother-in-law, Mallikarjuna Swamy, and original landowner J. Devaraj in the MUDA land allotment case. The court, presided over by Judge Santosh Gajanan Bhatt, was hearing a protest petition by Mysuru-based activist Snehamai Krishna challenging the Lokayukta's findings. The Lokayukta police had submitted the closure report in February 2025, stating that allegations of corruption and irregularities were not proven due to lack of evidence. The case involved the alleged allotment of 14 compensatory MUDA sites valued at around 56 crore rupees to Parvathi in an upmarket Mysuru area under the 50:50 scheme following the acquisition of a 3.16-acre land. It was claimed that Siddaramaiah misused his political influence, though Parvathi later returned the sites. While exonerating the four named accused, the court clarified that the investigation remains open against other accused persons, directing the investigating officer to continue the probe and file a final report upon completion. The next hearing is scheduled for February 9, 2026. The court also rejected the complainant's plea for contempt proceedings against the investigating officer and noted that the Enforcement Directorate (ED) may intervene only to a limited extent as an aggrieved party. This development ends a significant legal challenge for the Chief Minister in the high-profile MUDA case.